Good morning, treasurers. This is your host Parthesh Shah, co-founder of Fintech, and you are listening to Night Snippets. Here is all what you need to know before going into trade for 25th March 2021. In the international market, Federal Chair Jerome Powell, in a Congress appearance, said, "It seems that the rates have responded to the news about vaccination and ultimately about growth. So higher growth, higher inflation, lower cases of COVID. In fact, there has been an underlying sense of improved economic outlook. He has reinstated the growth outlook and has not shown any major concerns on the yields. US 10-year closed at 162 and 30-year closed at 2.31 percentage points on Wednesday. In the crude oil market, crude is trading at $63.61 per barrel. Short-term range seems to be 60 to 64. As we had said yesterday that we were comfortable with the long crude position at 60, and in a single day it has gained $4 or 7 percentage points. As the positioning was right, we want to hold this position for now. In the currency market, dollar index or DXY is at 92.55. DXY's today's range seems to be 92.15 to 92.81. As we discussed yesterday, after Jerome Powell's speech, 92.50 was broken and it is now trading at 92.55. Yet to confirm the pattern whether the DXY is moving and inching towards 94, but the initial signals say so. We need to see convincing closes above 92.60 for a couple of days to confirm 94.25. USD CNY or Chinese Yuan is at 653. USD INR with a high of 72.69 closed at 72.55 on Wednesday. USD INR's range today seems to be 72.45 to 72.75. Again, as we say yesterday, that USD INR will raise towards 72.70, and it indeed saw a high of 72.69 and then retreated. As you know our hypothesis, if US recovery is robust, we feel dollar index will continue to become stronger against the G10 pairs and USD INR will inch towards 73.50-74 range very soon. For immediate, we see USD INR top at 72.82 for now. In the domestic market, the National Statistic Office has begun informal discussion on the provision of the weight of food items in the CPI basket. The food and beverages group, which constitutes 45.86% of the CPI basket, has been a major driver of the CPI inflation. We at Knight Research completely agree with NSO's stance that New Age Lifestyles CPO is overweight on food and it has to be reduced with the new survey findings. As far as GSEC market is concerned, traders booked profits after a recent fall in bond yields. 585 2030 bond yield has fallen by 15 basis points in the last 2 weeks. Some traders believe the yields on the paper may not sustain below 610 mark and therefore the prevailing levels were lucrative to book profits. We at Knight Research have been very vocal about the exit in each of our podcasts. 515 GS 2025 closed at 568 versus 567 the previous trading day. 585 2030 closed at 615 versus 614 the previous trading day. We at Knight Research continue to maintain our stance that March ending should be near 615. 24th March 2021 T-bill auction analysis. 91-day T-bill cutoff at 332, 182-day at 346, 364-day at 378. We at Knight Research firmly believe that the first thing which will happen is 91-day T-bill rates above reverse repo once the liquidity normalizes from the current excess surplus. We continue to maintain the same stance, sell and book profits or losses before 31st March as per your P&L requirements. That's it for today. You were listening to Night Snippets with Parthesh Shah, co-founder of Fintech. See you tomorrow with the new episode of Night Snippets.